great sound, water and dust resistance, a lightweight design and an even better price tag to match, the new Lytmi Cozyfit open-ear headphones are a great choice for those of you that want comfort and safety, so hit subscribe now and we'll get right into it. So full disclosure before we get started though, the video is sponsored by Lytmi and they've sent me the Cozyfit open-ear headphones for free to showcase to you guys. So here we have Lytmi's new Cozyfit earphones that aim to provide great levels of comfort and safety, all while delivering a good listening experience and keeping them affordable, and they've done a great job. So here you can see all of the great features that Cozyfit has to offer, but now we're going to take a look in a lot more detail. From the minute you pick the headphones up, you can feel just how light they are, with one headphone coming in at just 7 grams, and then when placing them on your head, you can barely feel they're there, which provides an extreme level of comfort. Now we've also got a nice modern design with the main headphone piece being this rounded rectangular shape, and in here we've got an 11x15mm eco-friendly speaker system with enhanced bass technology, and then this attaches to the ultra-fine 0.6mm nickel titanium memory steel wire that goes around your ear, and it will adapt to any ear shape to stay secure and comfortable no matter what activity. So overall, the design is good, and I like how lightweight and comfortable it is, yet it still feels sturdy and well built. For those of you that haven't used open-ear headphones yet, they differ from normal headphones as they rest against your head, which means that not only is there no worry about which ear tip to use, it also allows you to hear the open world around you. We've got plenty of in-ear headphones that have transparency mode that also allow you to hear the outside world around you while listening to your music, but the problem is everything just sounds a little bit off with those, and I find it makes things appear much louder than they actually are. But with Lytmi's Cozyfit, we've got the benefit of not having the ear canal blocked at all, meaning you can hear the outside sounds exactly the same as you would without the earbuds on. Now when it comes to sound quality, they sound great for the price, and actually much better than I expected for the price tag. The 11x15mm eco-friendly speaker does a great job at delivering natural sound through all of the genres, and we get some clean mids with some crisp highs, and then the enhanced bass technology does a good job at delivering some of the lower frequencies. Although it is important to point out that if you like deep thumping, really heavy bass, it's just not something you're going to get from an open-ear headphone design, and they're much more suited to people that want a balanced listening experience. Another great feature is that we can not only control our music, but we can take hands-free calls with the Lytmi Cozyfit headphones as well. Now I've taken some calls when out running, and the other person was able to hear me perfectly fine, and I could hear them perfectly fine through the headphones as well. And overall, it's just a nice hands-free experience. Now on the main body of the Cozyfit, we've got these touch pads, and this allows you hands-free control. And if you single tap it, it's going to go volume up or volume down depending on if you're tapping the left or the right headphone. And if you hold it for a couple of seconds, it's going to be next track for the right headphone and previous track for the left. Double tapping it is going to pause the music, and then of course double tapping again will play the music. And we can even triple tap the headphones to access the voice assistant. So this is not only great for getting information out and about on the go, but you can use it to ask Google to make calls or send messages hands-free. And then finally, if you hold the earbuds down for 4 seconds, it's going to power them off. Now I've been using the Lytmi Cozyfit mainly for running, and they've not only been comfortable, but they've stayed secure and in place, and the open-ear design makes it much safer as I can hear all of the traffic around me. I've got no worries if the weather takes a turn for the worst either, as they've got IPX5 water and dust resistant, so it's great if you experience a bit of rain, but they're not suitable for any underwater activities like swimming. There's also great connectivity between the Cozyfit and my phone thanks to the latest Bluetooth 5.4, and this offers great range and reliability, and they also last plenty long enough to enjoy your music, media or calls throughout the day without running out of battery. Now the earphones themselves have a 50 mAh battery which delivers 8 hours of playback at a typical volume. Then of course the charge case will also charge them up as well. Now the charge case has a 400 mAh battery to recharge the Cozyfits, and this means including the case as well, that's a full 30 hours of playback. And then if you ever do completely run out of battery in the earbud, you can charge from 0% to 100% in just 2 hours. It's actually exactly the same time for the charging case. You can charge the charging case from 0% to 100% in 2 hours. Now the case is a nice simple design. It's made of plastic, it's small and compact, and the earbuds just sit inside where they're held magnetically. The earbuds have LEDs built in to let us know they're charging, and the case also has an LED indicator on the front. Its size and shape just makes it comfortable to carry around, hold, or have in your pocket, and then we've got a USB-C port on the back for the charging. Now the headphones are available in black or beige color options, and when it comes to unboxing, if we open up the box, you can see we've first got the charging case, and these have the Lytmi Cozyfit already inside them. Then underneath that, we've got the user manual and a USB cable for charging. But overall, I'm really happy with the Cozyfit from Lytmi, and I have to say these are great headphones for the price, which is currently just $39.99 on Lytmi's website. Not only do we get great comfort and safety, but we also get some good quality audio to go with that without having to break the bank. Now of course, I've placed a link for the headphones down in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out now. And of course, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.